And boys and girls, I'm going to tell you a little bit about your Spanish content. So it's a little bit tricky, but I think that you're going to do great. So when you click on the Spanish tab, you're going to see all of this stuff. It is pretty tricky, but I suggest you start with something that looks familiar. So this vocabulary A might be this unit 1 is probably the most basic areas, and you would probably want to click here, and you're going to click, for example, Spanish A, and you're going to click on the link, and it's going to be about the Spanish alphabet. Now, before you do anything else with every single lesson you click, you're going to click Learn with an Example. It's going to say to you, these are the names. You're going to come to this blue section. These are the names of the letters of the alphabet in Spanish. You're going to go through and you're going to click each one. You're going to listen to it and you're going to repeat it. So you'd say A, B, B, C,
C,
C. You're going to go all the way through because, for example, J is hard.
J,
Jota is J. So you're going to go through and you're going to listen to all of them and practice. You might do that for 10 minutes. You might even go onto YouTube with a mom or a dad or a brother or a sister, whoever is home with you, grandma, grandpa, and you might say, help me find a Spanish alphabet song. So you're going to do a couple of those kind of activities before you go back to the practice. Then you're going to listen to these directions, or read these directions, I should say. You cannot listen to them. So an adult might have to help you. It says, listen to the name of the Spanish letter. Which do you hear?
A,
And then you'd say, A. I hear A. And then you submit it. Here's your SMART score. You're going to try to get that SMART score of an 80. But once again, you're going to have to do a little bit of the work of finding the sounds somewhere else. So when you go back to Spanish, and then you might say, ooh, some of these are too hard. I'm going to skip. Oh, weather and seasons. I bet you can find the weather and the season on a video somewhere. Now, it might be hard to do the date one because you have to type it in, and it says, ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy? That means, what is the date today? But that is a little bit trickier. So you're going to kind of have to skim through some of them. I think coming down here to en clase, in school, maybe school supplies, you might be able to do that. But you're going to have to look through this with an adult, and we as teachers will all be in touch with you to help you. The older grades are going to be able to go through it more smoothly. Younger grades, you're going to just need a little more help and a little more patience. All right, good luck learning your Spanish.